This is your KCTV5 News Update.
ICU nurses are speaking out about caring for younger sick patients battling the Delta variant. Two nurses working in Branson say they are exhausted as they say goodbye to some patients. Some obviously regret they didn't take the time to get vaccinated.
A lot of them tell us, especially, some of them, I didn't have time to go get vaccinated. I didn't have a chance to, I work through the day. There's these pop-up clinics, I was planning on going after I got off work, but I didn't feel like it that day, or I wish I would have, or a lot of families calling in saying, hey, when can I get vaccinated? Where can I go to get vaccinated? I see what this is doing to my family, and it's not worth the risk. And I'm glad that people are seeing that, but it's taking a lot of pushing and a lot of them seeing their family suffering for them to decide to make this decision.
Cox Medical in Branson reports the same information we have heard from other hospitals. Almost all cases are unvaccinated people. There are a few breakthrough cases, but those who are vaccinated largely don't end up in the ICU or on a ventilator. The patients are also much younger than what they have treated and cared for in previous waves.
It seems with this Delta variant that there is younger people that are getting sicker. They're in their 20s, 30s, 40s. They don't have many comorbidities. Some just have like high blood pressure. Some have no medical history and they're coming in, they're on a ventilator. We're talking to their families. We're working so hard and it just seems like we're just fighting a losing battle here.
Branson's COVID numbers are now 10 times the nationwide average when you adjust for population. Overall, Missouri is one of the most troublesome states for COVID cases. 3 states now account for 40% of all COVID cases, and that's Missouri, Texas, and Florida. Faith leaders across Missouri are calling for congregations to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Over 200 pastors and ministers in Missouri signed a statement this week saying they hope Christians will get vaccinated as a way of following Jesus' command to love your neighbor as yourself. These religious leaders say that since many people may not trust health or government officials, it's now their time to step in. The Missouri Chamber of Commerce has launched an initiative to recognize Missouri businesses that make an effort for staff vaccination. Organizations that have achieved at least 70% vaccination rates are eligible to receive this designation. The campaign has a 3-tier designation for companies that have 70, 80, and 90% vaccination rates among their staff. So far, around 80 Missouri workplaces have been approved for this designation. According to the Missouri Department of Labor, initial claims for unemployment have more than doubled in the state. As of last week, claims have risen 205%. On July 10th, unemployment claims were just over 5,700. Last week, that number increased to 11,770, and that's the most new unemployment claims in 1 week since April 24th. Happening today, Chiefs training camp kicks off in St. Joe. Quarterbacks and rookies are the first to report. The rest of the team will show up on Monday. The first practice is Wednesday, and the public can watch practices starting on Thursday. Now, you will need to buy a ticket before showing up. Some days are free, others are $5. You can buy tickets at Chiefs.com.
I'm Storm Track 5 meteorologist Alina Lee with your Friday weather update. Expect a hot and humid weekend ahead, especially this afternoon with highs closer to 94 degrees. It might feel like 100 degrees in some spots and then gets even hotter Saturday. Weather alerts posted all weekend long because of the intense heat and humidity. Feels like temperatures will be well above 100 Saturday and only a slight chance for a shower or thunderstorm, especially Sunday night into Monday. Have a great day.
Turn to KCTV5 News for the latest all day. This is your personalized update because KCTV5 News stands for you.